Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to manually update apps on your iPhone so you can always have the latest features and fixes. So first, simply open the App Store on your iPhone. From here, you can then tap on your profile picture in the top right corner to access your account. So simply scroll down to see a list of apps with available updates. Next, you can then update a single app by tapping Update right next to it. So to update all apps at once, you can then also tap Update All at the top of the list. So after doing this, your apps will then start downloading the latest versions automatically, ensuring your iPhone always stays up to date. And that's it. So that's how to manually install updates on your iPhone. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.